By the end of this video, you'll know how to paint clouds at least 2 ways. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. To keep it simple, let's consider 2 different types of clouds in visual terms. Puffy clouds can be patchy, densely layered, or sparse. Wispy clouds, like these, are thin and more linear. They're easier to see through as they tend to be less dense. Sometimes these look like flat lines, though they can be angular or curled upward. Let's talk about the best brushes to use for painting clouds. Any of these paintbrushes can be used to create clouds. Let's first talk about the mop brush. This one is 3/4 of an inch. Start by loading up your paintbrush with some white paint. Keep your brush at an angle and swirl in circles to start. You can eventually use a stamping motion to soften the edges that are too splashy. Keep swirling the brush until the paint runs out. Let this layer dry and then repeat this step to create volume and dimension. You can use round brushes in any size to create clouds. Just use our easy method here. First, load up your brush with white paint. Swirl your paintbrush in circles and move it around a bit. You can change the size of the circles you're creating and change up the swirl occasionally to create an organic shape of a cloud. Work until your paint runs out and then let this layer dry. After a bit of drying, add some gray as a low light to the underside using the same type of brush. Make sure it's clean. You can also use this type of brush to add small puffs of clouds anywhere. Let the clouds dry between layers a little bit and then apply some more white paint with a clean brush. This layering will create the form of your clouds, so feel free to layer more than once. This method creates easy, puffy clouds. A fan brush can be used to paint clouds too. This technique is somewhere between painting swirls like we were before and painting slicing lines back and forth. A fan brush is great for making little wisps of clouds moving in the wind. You can also swirl the paint in a flat oval for elongated clouds with volume. Keep working even as the paint runs out in order to soften the edges of your clouds. You can also add some highlights and lowlights to this type of cloud using a small round brush. A liner brush or a tiny detailer brush can be helpful in making cloud details. A liner brush / detailer is best used to add outlines. It can also be used to add swoopy lines to create a fluffy form easily. Watch our Painting the Sky playlist to learn how to paint a sunrise, a stormy sky, a night sky, and more. We hope this video helped you understand how to paint clouds with a few different brushes. What was your favorite type of cloud technique shown here today? Let us know in the comments below. If we helped you in some way today, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.